Hey, welcome back to Tech Leveler. I'm Lee, and today I have another Amazon Firestick tutorial. And in this one, I'm going to show you how to fix apps from unknown sources not showing up on your Firestick. Now, the first thing we need to do is head to our Firestick settings. And you get this by coming all the way to the right here on the main home screen. Then you want to come down and select My Fire TV. Then you want to go into About if you don't have developer options, and you want to press the middle button, which is the select button on your Firestick remote, around 8 times, and then this will pop up. No need, you are already a developer. So once you see that message, you can come back out, and we should see developer options then. And as we can see, we can, so we can go into developer options. Then you want to turn on ADB debugging, and then come down to install unknown apps, and the app that isn't showing, you want to come in here and turn it on. As you can see, I've turned downloader on. So that's how to fix apps from unknown sources not showing up on your Firestick. Hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe for many more Firestick tutorials like this one, and most of all, thanks ever so much for watching.